This is the Backyard Discovery 24 by 12 feet cedar wood pergola. And this kit came with a trellis roof. It has become a standout feature of our backyard, of our outdoor space as a matter of fact. We set this up in our own backyard, and it now perfectly covers a full-size dining table, a cozy outdoor sofa set, and even space for games and other backyard activities. It has become our favorite spot to relax, entertain, and just enjoy the outdoors. Now, full transparency, it wasn't the easiest project to assemble, but with the patience and the teamwork, three of us managed to build it ourselves at home without hiring any pros. Just follow the instructions carefully and make sure to give yourself time. It's worth it. What really makes this pergola stand out is the quality. It's made from 100% natural durable cedar wood, which not only smells amazing but holds up well in the elements. It's also reinforced with sturdy powder-coated steel brackets and heavy-duty bolts. This thing isn't going anywhere. We anchored each leg onto 6 small concrete foundations that we made ourselves, and the result is a structure that feels incredibly solid and secure. We took it a step further and added a clear fiberglass roof covering which completely blocks out rain. So now it is more like a gazebo. And those thatched leaves you see hanging from the roof, just there for style. We wanted that laid-back tropical vibe, and I think it works beautifully. One of our favorite features is the built-in PowerPort that comes with this pergola. It gives us 2 standard 110-volt outlets and the USB ports, which are super handy for plugging in lights, speakers, a laptop, or just charging your phone while chilling outside. The roof itself is a classic trellis design, giving it an elegant, traditional look, but with upgrades we added, it is now both stylish and functional. If you're aiming for creating a backyard oasis, this Beaumont pergola is fantastic. It's a fantastic choice. It brings a charm, function, and a serious durability to any outdoor space. We would highly recommend it.